Welcome to Midday. We want to understand your perspective of green environment focus in the elections in Mumbai. What is your
Okay.
focus in
So,
Mumbai?
first of all, I will start with my introduction. My
Yes.
name is Dr. Hira Lal. I am 2009 batch UP cadre IS officer.
Okay.
Here in Maharashtra Assembly election, I have been allotted to Assembly as a general observer 172 Anusakti Nagar and 173 Chambur. So, regarding the green election,
Mm-hmm.
actually, our Election Commission of India directs the poll official that elections should be conducted free, fair, transparent, peaceful, and eco-friendly.
Ego.
So the word eco-friendly is somewhat typical to understand by the general masses. So we have renamed the eco-friendly to green
Green
election.
elections. Okay. Okay.
In green election concept, we define it like this: we are doing actions and activity, extra action and activity due to elections.
Okay.
If this election would have been not in the picture, that action and activity would have been not
Would not have been.
in the action. So due to extra actions and activity due to election, we are generating green gases. So this green gas generation due to election action and activity is deteriorating our climate
Climate
situation.
situation.
So there is two solution of it. One is use biodegradable material so that carbon footprint production is reduced. One thing. So we are promoting, we are convincing whole ecosystem associated with the
Mm-hmm.
election that use biodegradable material. One thing. Second thing, whatever carbon is generated, we need to neutralize it, kill it. So we are requesting with the voters, public masses that on the auspicious occasion of voting, please plant a tree in a park so that the green gas generated can be neutralized by the plants.
This green election concept is your original concept, and that has become a slowly national template. So, how would you guide others to replicate it in the other states? Any
Okay.
ideas? And what is your inspiration basically? How did it start with you?
Actually, I am very much concerned at personal level with the climate change. I used to read, write many things about the climate change. So I have a vision and I have a feel that climate change is devastating. We all of us in different ways, but we do not have realization of that. And that is a very dangerous situation. Until and unless we will realize it, we will not take any precautions. So deterioration is going on.
But we
Climate
don't
is,
realize it.
but we still not taking the precautions. We are not making the efforts to curtail the climatic change or reduce the climate change. So
Okay.
this
What's
mindset
your inspiration? Yes, sir.
is inspiration, and I read the guideline of the election commission, and last word is the eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly. So you inserted that into.
That is so. Before starting green election in my earlier observership in Punjab in 6 Anandpur Sahab parliamentary, I researched also.
Okay.
So there was a court case in Tamil Nadu or in south states. So they directed that you try to conduct climate. So one district magistrate has done some
Somewhat.
work to conduct a climate election or green election.
Hmm.
But we have done in parliament election in Ropar in a very systematic, in a
Systematic.
very
Formed
organized,
template of it.
in a designed way.
Okay. Okay.
And what we did, how we did, we have
We have
documented that in this booklet. It is a 60-page booklet, that is the green election.
Okay, sir.
So this I am trying to replicate here
In
in
Mumbai.
172 Anusakti Nagar and 173 Chembur.
Yes. So something small about your 18-point program, which is a very interesting one.
Yes. So,
Yes, brief guide me.
so to conduct election and to achieve the main aim, our two aims are main aims. That is, how to enhance the voting percentage and how to conduct green elections. So we have two
Yes.
fronts. On one front, challenge is how to bring the voters on the
Maximum
booth
voters.
on the 20th November on the polling day, so that no voter should left behind. First challenge. Second challenge is how to conduct green election. So regarding green election, already I have
Yeah,
explained, but
explain it.
regarding the regarding the increasing the voting percentage, we have made 18-point simple
Ja-
SOP,
Okay.
and that SOP has been prepared by not by me but by my sweep officials.
Okay.
Okay, so in this SOP, what to do, how to do, and what to achieve. In a very simple words, these 18 points. For example, first point is cultural activity involvement. So, in sweep, we are using cultural activity because that connects strongly, that
Social-
inspires strongly, that pulls strongly.
Okay.
So that experiment already I have done as DO, as RO in 2019 election
Where
in
you
district
succeeded.
Bada,
Okay.
and I had increased in that election voting percentage by more than 10.5%.
Okay.
So that experience
Significant.
also I am using here.
Oh,
So
okay.
that cultural activity involvement I have taken from my past experience in Bada, and celebrity involvement, so that they should appeal.
Yes,
That is the
people come
second.
to. Okay.
So in the area, whoever is celebrity does not mean only actors and filmmakers. Celebrity, Padam Siri, anybody is
Renowned person. Huh?
renowned
Who is
person and
respected.
doing different,
Who is respected.
whom people are hearing. That is celebrity for us. Okay. Meeting in schools and colleges. We are going
Targeting
and
young.
targeting schools and colleges
Okay.
and discussing this issue with the students and teachers, so that they should
Come and
associate
participate.
our
Yes.
with this our campaign. And in the morning we are going in the parks. So we are,
So, morning walkers.
yes, morning walkers. I have visited 8 parks.
Okay.
One day in the Anusakti
And what do
Park.
we tell them that it should come?
Yes,
right
yes.
to-
My sweep fellow will be there. I'll be there,
Okay.
and we used to discuss with the morning walkers. We are here.
Process to. Okay.
We are here to tell you on 20th voting. You vote. You
That's a
promote
nice idea.
voting, and not only you vote, you inspire your
Inspire
relative, your neighbor, and your relations to inspire. So that is also a new experiment,
Connecting with the people.
connecting with the people in the morning walk to motivate them,
Yes,
to
yes.
inspire them to vote. Okay. And one more new idea which I have not done in my earlier two experiments in Bada 2019 and 2024, I have selected schools,
Okay.
all schools, primary, secondary, and higher.
Okay.
Each teacher will select one student, and that student will be given a script what is the benefits of
He is
voting.
the ambassador of the. Achha.
Huh. So what they will do, the student in their house will convince parents
Okay.
and their
Okay.
family members that you should go and vote because of these benefits.
These benefits,
So
okay.
that and a video will be made, and
Okay.
that video will be
Circulated.
circulated. So that will be a emotional appeal
The child
by
telling
the
the
kids,
parents.
and that emotional appeal will bring good results. Likewise, this target I have given to all BLOs. We have 262 BLOs in Anusakti Nagar and 290 BLOs in Chembur.
Chembur.
So they have been asked that you also make one video like this.
Okay.
So already video making is in progress
Okay,
and they are
that's right.
circulating. So that is a new innovation.
That's a new idea.
So likewise, and one interesting point, initially I told the BLO that you list 10 pain points why people are not coming to vote. What are 10 reasons? What are 10 pain points? So they,
Any interesting thing that you can.
yes, so 10 points each BLO wrote in handwriting and gave to me. So they did the diagnosis that way. I told
So
them
they
that
thought about it and
I told them that you go and diagnose what are 10 important problems, because of that people are not coming to more. So, and they have given me that 10 points in on a single page in their own handwriting.
then
I have two bunch, 262 page, 290 page, two pages. And after that, I told them that you list 20 social workers in your booth area. Who is social worker? Social, if there is a washerman, so he
who has
is,
a network of things.
the points where people are coming, grocery, repair shop, social leaders, your community
People
leaders,
approach.
your professional leaders. So they have made a list. They have made a list of 20 such peoples. They can make more than 20, but at least
Minimum
20.
20.
And they have to win the trust of those 20 by meeting, requesting, convincing time and again,
Vote that is
so
Chunao.
that BLO on, along with B20, these social leaders can bring out the voters on the voting day, because
It's a
all
very nice
20
idea.
has, because all 20 has the pool of the connects,
Power of the network.
power of the network, so that network can be persuaded through that social leader. That is also a new approach over
It's a very
here.
nice idea.
So likewise we have 18 points, and that is circulated to RBLO, to art officials, that is open
It's a very
document.
nice.
So this is, we have named it innovative election, green election, action plan and monitoring chart. And date wise we are monitoring
Monitoring every single day.
what is happening in each column. So both my RO, returning officer, Anusakti Nagara, and sweep team are working on it. For example, today I have visited by now 4 meetings. I went to RCF office, in their meeting hall, all the top management, 50 people, including CMD. I discussed and motivated that they should inspire and motivate the voters working under them to bring out the vote. Bring and bring out to vote
So that's how
himself as well as relations.
numbers will
and-
increase.
Yeah, yeah. Likewise, then I went in the orphan house
Oh,
to discuss over there. Then I attended the training.
See, these are main hubs of people
Yeah.
with their vote.
Now around 500 poll officials are taking training. I went there and I discussed this issue, that your responsibility is not only to conduct poll on polling day. Your duty is to increase polling percentage and increase
Council
the
people.
and green election. So from today itself, like me,
The duty begins now.
make efforts to increase. Similar concept I told them. So they agreed. They get motivated that someone in a position of observer is requesting to increase, to conduct. So
So it's a
they
competition.
inspired. Yes.
Yes. But that's it. I think these are all the things. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you.
yes, thank you. Sir.